At Rockwest, we're all about composites. Composites are revolutionizing manufacturing all over the world, and today we make them accessible to more people than ever before. Rockwest carries a mind-blowing variety of off-the-shelf composite products that are in stock and ready to ship. So whether you need tubes, plates, raw materials, connectors, or accessories, we can help get you set up and cranking. Carbon fiber, fiberglass, aramids, or flax, we got you covered. Rockwest engineers and production experts are great listeners and problem solvers, and we're here to help you get started on your next project. And with the fastest shipping in the industry, that'll be right away. So if you need faster, stronger, and lighter composites to make your dreams a reality or your business more competitive, work with Rockwest, where everything and everyone you could possibly need is under one roof in an easy-to-buy, one-stop shop. Let's make some magic together.